Dr. Jessica Sabo, and I help patients with obstructive sleep apnea, but maybe not how you might think. I've got lots of patients that come in and say, okay, doc, I've heard you talk about this airway issue. I've heard you talk about why it's so important. But when is snoring just snoring? And I would say to them, snoring is an indication that you're having trouble getting air down and into the lungs. And what's happening there is that the tissues are starting to vibrate and make a noise as you're trying to force the air in. So it's suggesting that there is a problem there that could be putting an extra load on the rest of your body. So, but more importantly, what it is doing too as well is it could be causing your sleep to be fragmented. Now, what do I mean by fragmented? I mean not having a nice, long, restful architecture, meaning that you're staying in lighter sleep and not getting enough deep NREM sleep. And there are plenty of references out there to explain the importance of sleep. But one of my favorite is that written by Dr. Walker, Matthew Walker, and the book is called Why We Sleep. Okay, it goes into all of the important systemic or whole body reasons why it's important to get great rest. And so I encourage you, if you're looking to become sleep smart, to read that book and figure out just how important good rest is, and that's why I'm so passionate about it. So if you are snoring, it may be leading to your sleep being more fragmented, less restful, not only for you, but for your bed partner or those in your house, maybe even your neighbor if you're super noisy. We call that secondhand sleep apnea. By keeping your friends and family awake and not allowing them to have nice rest. So if you yourself are a snorer or you are subjected to one with secondhand snoring, give me a call. We'll see what we can do to help treat that responsibly for you with your physician. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your family and friends, and we hope to hear from you.